Okay, I'm Michael Jovan, and today's quick tip for Windows 11, we're going to talk about how to quickly access widgets. These are very important because they provide valuable information at a glance. So what you'll do on your keyboard is on the bottom left-hand side next to the spacebar, you're going to hold down the Windows icon, looks like the Windows symbol, and you're going to push W for widgets. When you do that, this will pop up into your screen. Um, as so. And what you'll see is you can customize all of these if you want to follow your different news feeds. It's going to show you the headlines. It's going to show you your stocks and the weather at a glance. And so again, each one of these widgets are customizable. Very useful information. Again, you just push the Windows and W for widgets. That's how you can quickly access that. Great information. If you followed along yesterday, we talked about the Windows N for your notifications. That coupled with the widgets is a great time saver. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll be glad to help you out. Follow along for more tips of the day just to get through on Windows 11 to make your life a lot more simplistic online. These shortcuts absolutely save time. Thank you.